We'll go back outside again. Move. What are you doing? Do you remember? Alright. Come here. Remember? Is a snowball. Hold on. Hold on. You ready? Ready? Go get it. Whoa. Want to get another one? Hold on. I gotta make it for you. Ready? Alright, right here. You ready? Hold on. Ready, yo? Hey. Ready? What are you doing? Come on. Get inside. Do you guys? Yeah. Face is deep in snow. Come on, Vegas. Ryan's eating snowballs. Vegas is looking for a snowball.
Vegas.
Are you eating the snow out? Come on, guys, inside. Come on. Come on now. Okay, guys, come on, guys, inside. Vegas, Orion, come on. Come on, inside. Orion, get your booty inside. Come on, guys. Look. Look what Vegas is getting. He's eating the snow. You're coming in, you're not having any of that. Go potty, yo. Go potty. Go on. Go pee pee. Oh, Ryan, go. Go on. Go get brother. Go get him. Go potty. Come on, you gotta go. Come on. There's gonna be plenty of snow to eat. Come on. Inside. Get inside. Vegas. No, get back in. Orion. Alright, you guys can stay outside for a while. Whoa. You gotta go back outside? Alright. Alright, just to eat snow, really? Orion, do you want me to put water? Here, I'll tell you what. How about this? How about I put some snow in your water dish? Yeah. Come here. your water dish with snow. That way you can come inside. Hold on. Whoa! Holy cow! I'm putting snow. Stop. So this is so you guys can come inside, okay? Because it's too cold out. Hey, knock it off. Inside, inside. I've got a plate of snow for you. Inside, you little brats. There. Oh, it's gonna be a mess. Either of you guys have brain freeze yet? Here's a good piece of snow. Soft. Ow! That wasn't soft. I don't know if this is a good idea, you guys. That's all you guys want to do is come out here and eat snow? Hmm? Ready, Vegas? Oh! Sorry, baby. Forgot, it's still... Here. Sit down. You sit. You wait. Wait for it. Ready? Alright, we probably shouldn't do too many of those. I don't have any more snowballs. Sorry, no more snowballs. Bet you can roll Orion into a snowball. Okay, it's cold out. Let's go back in. Come on, baby. Vegas. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, guys. Hey, come on, mister. I left you. You could eat. Probably not a good idea to let you eat snow. Hey, come on, guys. Vegas. Dude, you're using your mouth as a snowplow. Come on. Come inside. Let's go. Come on. Oh, you make your own snowballs. Vegas, come on, baby. Inside. Let's go. I think you can only handle so much of the cold stuff in your belly. Come on. Come on. Come on. Inside, mister. Oh, you're snowball obsessed. You're snowball obsessed. Orion, no stealing his snowballs. Come on, guys. Okay, come on, inside. You have water in here. Vegas, come on, baby. Closing the door. Oh, easy. Yeah, okay. You're funny. Oh.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. He just face planted. He's prancing. What are you doing, oh? What's your brother doing? Is he playing? Come on, baby. Oh, another fall. You're just not graceful. Come on. Come on, Vegas. Let's go. What are you doing? Are you gonna go outside? Easy does it. Whoa.